I want it fixed now.
Fixing AC? What is this shenaniganery? This doesn't
I still
happen.
can't add feats. Alright, it was good playing with you guys. Bye.
It's like, do you want my temper to come back? No, I'm just generally pissed off right now, and you know why. I'm just, like, internally, I am still not calm.
I can roll for him, I just can't. Oh, I always do 19. I just can't add stuff. And that's so weird.
When Forge decides to load.
So now I can defeat again now. No, I can't.
CJ, I did not do +9 AC to Mr. Snips. It's only +6, and then protected +5.
It's not liking something about this because once I open the feats, I can't close them again. I wouldn't be doing this if you hadn't deleted poor Iggy.
These things happen. I'm on the right headphones and everything. My game just won't load up. I'm stuck at gray screen.
Yeah, that was the issue I was having when I tried to come back in too. It just seems to be you might have put in too much, CJ. Because now it hates me.
Also, how do you guys feel about? Well, I know how Phil feels about water walking, except he has Zen direction.
And water walking.
Yeah, I have water walking now too on Jin, so someone can crawl after your ass.
Good luck catching.
What's his movement speed at this point?
60, but he can also teleport.
God damn. Help.
And tunnel. And wall climb. He's a thing of... And he can make everything around him warm at 75 degrees, but only within 10 feet.
Only in 10 feet.
His preferred climate. And I'm trying to figure out how to use the last 2 points, or whether I want something that would actually be useful. Or I want him to have his own... Or I want him to have his own plane of grass, and he just teleports to randomly sometimes to eat.
At this point, I've removed one of my freaking pet's arms just for A, the look of it, and to get the points.
I mean, it's easy when you just choose a whole bunch of random useless bullshit. You don't need to attack, he just needs to carry me real good.
What did you do to fix getting into the game?
I might have to close myself out again because I can't get rid of the feed I had put up.
You might need to restart the Forge server if we're unable to connect in.
Let me see if that's me connected again. He put
Have you chosen the level of pain I'm going to receive yet, CJ, from the list of weapons I sent you? Because those are actually the weapons I literally don't play. One star weapons to me. Like, I hate these guys.
Okay, so hi everybody, CJ and the crew are here. gotta love session 1, man. Gotta love technical issues. It's not us. I didn't do it this time.
Bullshit.
That's what the criminals always say.
Forge is having issues. Currently getting a 400 bad request server error. The host of the server host is aware of it, so they are working on getting it taken care of. If I would host this myself, that's the good thing and a bad thing about Foundry, which is who we do this through, not Roll20, not Fantasy Grounds, because I like the sheer amount of customization that we can do through this. You can host it by yourself, but I can't get a better deal for $13 a month. Without self-hosting, and I don't have enough computer power to be able to self-host and run everything on it. So
yeah, that would cost us.
The lowest I've been able to spec it out for is $16 a month.
How many cores does this thing need to run?
I can get the minimum and the recommended if we could talk about it off.
No, if we're talking self-hosting, we're gonna put it in.
We'll just talk about it now because there ain't nothing else we're gonna do.
Yeah, I mean, you've got the other counterpart of a brain that does this for a living. So
yeah,
okay, so we're talking. An application that needs to go into a service that's self-hosted, or is there a loader that we can toss into a Linux or a Windows server?
It has to be on a Windows. I think it has to be on a Windows server. I might be able to go into a Linux server. I'm trying to find the.
I'm just thinking because of like monthly licensing costs on those platforms for us.
I'm gonna link the gray screen. There's nothing to do with Forge. Hardware acceleration. Apparently something that the new update... Oh! Something with the new update broke something with hardware acceleration.
Yeah.
Those are all words.
So...
basically, what enables us to have faster speeds when talking on the web API, that's helping us achieve better speeds.
So magic. Got it.
Yeah, basically.
So go there and override software rendering. Search hardware. Make sure that is disabled. Mine is disabled, though. Mine is disabled. Oh, enable hardware. Okay, so enable that.
Words are hard. And now I'm not being helpful. I had anything else to do.
What? You... So go to the link that I just put in the Discord and enable the thing that it brings you to.
Did you put it in Discord?
I did put it in Discord.
Which Discord? Which part of Discord?
Ours. I put it in punishments.
So on this...
On geek-io.net/Discord.
So enable it or disable it?
Enable it.
Enable override software rendering list?
Yep.
Yes.
That's going to relaunch your Chrome.
Yep, it's going to do exactly what I just did. I still think we need to...
I'm here.
Close. close all of the things. Wouldn't be a Geek IO show without technical difficulties. Alright, so now we
It's
go.
okay, CJ.
Now we go back into Forge. Let's try this again. Let's try this again.
If first you don't succeed, try forever.
Right. Do 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 do. All right, Foundry VTT.com. And
I hear him.
uh-oh, am I having that issue where I can't hear? Hold on. All right, now I can see Scott. Can I hear Scott? He's being a smartass. Can I hear Daryl?
My ass
He's
is
on
also
it.
smart.
Yes, it is. Okay.
I'm taking a look at their install guide right now,
Yeah.
trying to see specs. My only concern is if we do it ourselves, you and I are going to want to toss a cert on it.
A coin to your Witcher. Sorry.
That was bad. You
So
should feel bad.
Never!
if you have the domain, do you have it set up on a place where we can pull certs?
I have my domain on. I have the .net domain on Squarespace, which I don't know if I can pull certs from, but I have the .com set up on GoDaddy.
It'd be easier for to pull the com, the price. I mean, we can talk about the full run of it later on, but yeah, you and I could do this fairly easily, and I don't find footing the cost after I finish the move personally. Me, if I wanted to do it, for us to pull a SSL on this,
Yeah.
to be cost prohibitive for a year for us,
You guys in the devil woods.
because we can use it in more than one place.
Yeah, of course.
You and I have been talking about hosting some of our own things anyway, so it's a good chance for us to just practice our own skills.
Yeah.
So if we want to set up and play with the idea of hosting our own eventually, we can start a little Linux server with this.
Little Linux server. All right, let's try.
Little Linux server.
All right, let's try starting and stopping the server again. Jesus.
We'll work eventually.
Well, stuff runs on Node.js, so wondering what the
Launch Foundry. Come on. All right, I'm getting here, which is further than I've gotten last time.
I got there last time. It didn't work because it hated me.
Launch World. Okay, I can get the login screen. Login as CJ. Join game session. Okay. All right, maybe.
I'm potentially logging into the game.
Yeah, I know. Me too. Incorrect key. Oh. Like, incorrect key. Oh, right, because I have a key on mine, so you slackers don't log into my freaking GM.
Yeah.
I'm offended.
You should be.
Glad
And
we're on the same page then.
okay, unpause the game. I don't know why it always starts paused, but whatever. Okay, loading Zaz. Okay, I see the map at least. I see people logging in. Hey, look, turning it off and on again worked this time.
I did that this morning.
What's my game data percentage at?
I wish I was getting on that one yet too. Like, I can't connect to it. I'm just gonna turn it off. Turn it back on.
All right, now I log in over here with buh.
Bubble butts. Bubble butts.
Sign in as my user account so I can show you the world.
Shining, wondering splendor.
Shining, lickening splendor.
I just have nothing but a green screen.
And
Gray
tell
screen.
me,
Correction.
princess, now when did you last let your butt decide?
The server sucks.
There's no token vision on it. Jesus Christ.
CJ plans and God laughs.
Are you not wrong? You're not wrong at all. Alright, let's load up the big booty boat, see what happens. I like have an entire thing planned out for you guys too. Like,
I'm just glad that this time it's not me having the computer issues. It's a welcome change. Well, not a welcome change, 'cause I don't like it. But it's a change I don't hate.
it's
Well, I
going.
hate it. But I appreciate that it's not my fault this time.
Why?
So anyway, patch 4 for Baldur's Gate is apparently coming out at some point in time.
What's it going to have this time?
Nobody knows.
A whole new class.
No more
But like, from what it looks like, they broke down the settings so that like it's not like it's easy to do uploads. It's supposed to like uploading, re-downloading everything.
So so it's not gonna just break everything again?
Yeah, it's not going to be like, oh, this download's going to take like 3 hours. It's going to be like, oh, I only have to fix this. I only have to fix this.
Well, that's good.
And I read something that they're finally adding evil plants,
Yes, evil plans.
so I can go fuck that hag up.
You and that hack have some unfinished love making to do.
Yeah, she took my eye, so I'm going to give her something else to take. You catch my drift.
Mm-hmm.
It's my sword. Scott, my sword's my penis.
I know, Phil.
I call it disappointment.
can't roll Mr. Simpson.
I can't even log on, so you're doing better than I
Yeah,
am.
dude. Dude, you're actually doing better than me.
Oh god! So many dice.
I just load up everything. Oh, it's slowly loading.
I'm still on the green. I'm still on the greenness.
You're in the
The
game.
greenness.
Yeah, it's loading. Okay, I finally loaded my player screen. After I got onto the freaking support Discord to complain about it. The problem is I signed out of my GM one and I can't get back into it.
Yeah.
Because
I still can't like add weapons to
Because
this
I'm
character.
signed into it already. There it goes.
Smooth.
It's kicked me out finally.
The one thing I'd like to do is be able to add equipment to this character.
You should be the owner of it.
Like I've been able to edit it, but I can't like add into the inventory, so I basically have no weapons to attack with.
What are you trying to add?
It's like a simple bow and arrow, because simple you since he's basically not really meant for up close combat at all, and not really meant for attacking much soever. But he's dex base primarily.
I'll throw
Just giving him a
I'll throw a short bow in there for you.
thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That way, I have something we can at least have him attack with. It doesn't feel like he's just.
There should actually be one in the... Can you search the journals? No, you cannot.
Like, the only thing I've been able to do is go to my passive abilities, and that's how I've been keeping track of the things I've added or subtracted to him in terms of his abilities or defects.
So, I have in the little book that has an @ in it.
Book
you're-
that hasn't.
Yeah, second to the right, there's the compendium packs.
Mm-hmm.
If you go down, you'll have... where is it? You
Item?
may not be able to do this. There should be items SRD. You may not be able to because it's locked. But if you search in there for short bow, right click it and import entry. Nope, you can't.
It was worth a shot.
It requires Game Master.
I
Which-
lack permission to create new item.
Which, I mean, makes sense. Just let me load into the game! We're almost there!
No.
Are we almost there?
No.
I mean,
No.
Scott's there, and
Just because I am there, I am by happenstance the type of user who can get into a system before it's supposed to be open and break.
and my user system is there, so I mean, that's like...
I
And-
finally made it in.
I claim Daryl's there because he's so quiet, he's not saying anything to
Well,
anybody.
theoretically, Daryl is loading into the game until you have brackets around you, around your character name. You're not theoretically loaded in.
It gave me a warning that
I thought it
file
was it.
size is above allowed limit.
Well, Phil...
I think that's more for you than it is for me.
Sounds like you need to take a dump.
Right.
Let me see if you work now.
Alright, so...
No,
Alright,
it's still gonna have.
go in here. These are kind of...
It's still kind of busted.
Out of memory.
You might have too much on it, dude.
I haven't added anything else. I'm only using 9% of my space.
How much memory is having to be dumped into the how much space is having to be dumped into a page file, though?
I don't know. I don't handle the back end of this shit.
Because I still can't edit my character. But, like, at this point, if we can play, fuck it. I'll fix that later.
I'd miss this. I gotta be honest. 2 a.m.
Just
feeling tired. Everything was breaking on a launch, and I'm listening to a bunch of devs.
Like,
trying to
everything
fix
else is working.
it.
Let's not let good be the enemy of perfection.
It's just like your old work, Daryl.
Yeah.
It's like a Tuesday for CJ.
Right? Jesus Christ. Alright, let me load up. Forge. Alright, let me look at my stuff here. Alright, so asset library is 12%, game data is 8%. I somehow lost a percent.
You always blame it on the 1%.
Configure. I have the latest stable version. I can upgrade to the latest alpha version. Fuck it, it's not working anyway!
I mean, at
To
this
make it not
point,
work
the alpha
more.
branch might be the stable branch.
Big range shit right there.
Well, no, it's kind of true.
Fuck it, let's do it.
That or it breaks it irrevocably.
Well, it's just a drop down at this point. Fuck it, let's go to the alpha branch. Save changes.
We in the end game now, boys.
This is why you don't let me be the full project manager of things. This is why I have people to have checks on me. I have one of those here. Error setting game convention. The game is currently in use. Fuck you, stop server.
Out we go. All right.
Tell any of us to log out of the server. That is your fault.
Yeet!
You didn't drain the connections. Whoops. You have a stale connection somewhere.
That's the worst in a database. Uh-oh, a problem occurred.
God damn it, I hate those errors.
It's like, give me something to go on.
Sounds like a little thing right now called CyberArk for me.
Alright, so now... Alright. Start server. Alright.
Game data 100%.
Game
Asset
data,
library.
12%. We went up 3%.
Asset library 7%.
You're right. Alright, making sure that nothing is updated that wasn't updated before. Okay, everything is current. Launch world. It's also hot as balls in Florida. My downstairs is like boiling me alive. Alright, CJ, access key. Do the thing. Log me in. Oh, that actually went pretty quick. He says, thinking that he should have shut his fucking mouth before he said anything.
He overthinks it.
Ah, time to stick my dick in it.
I mean... Wow.
All right, everyone hit the gateway, see what happens.
Actually
Loading slowly.
loaded
Yep.
my GM screen fairly quickly.
Yeah, you were the first one in.
Shut
Now
up!
it's gonna load slowly for everyone else.
Shut up, bitch. No one asked you.
But it's a true.
It is. I never said it wasn't. Just saying, shut up, bitch. No one asked you.
Volunteering information you just don't want to hear.
You right, but shut up, bitch. No one asked you.
I like the permission to update Vault. Loading Big Booty Bay.
Big
Or
booty boat. Yeah, you gotta do the big booty boat. That's the loading screen, the proper loading screen.
Zoomed way in for once.
Yeah, everybody seemed like the Geek.io one's loading slowly, but the Daryl seems to be loading in slowly, but he's traveling from the future, so that's understandable.
Still can't add
Okay, man.
feeds, file size above acceptable limits.
I think it's just upset with your bullshit.
I think so too, dude.
It shouldn't be.
All
It
right.
was all the way before until CJ ruined it.
So I go in here and go into items, SRD, and import a short bow. Okay. And then we open up Jinlik.
Yep.
And then we throw the short bow into there. And then we throw the short bow into there. You probably now have 2 short bows. Give it a second.
I just have something called new weapon.
I'm deleting the new weapon.
That's all that's there. Is the
Multiple times.
I just have new weapon.
Go away, new weapon. Ah!
New weapon is